I want to introduce all of you to our new exhibit at Greeley History Museum. This is the Home News exhibit. We are telling the story about Greeley in 1876, 150 years ago, at the birth of the state of Colorado. Of course, this year is the 150th anniversary. It's also the 250th anniversary of the nation, and it's also the 50th anniversary of Centennial Village Museum. This exhibit here has been a year and a half of my life pulling it together. I read every single Greeley Tribune from 1876, so you don't have to. And I've learned a lot about Greeley's intimate history with the nation and with the state in that period, and I'd love to share it with you. We also have a History Hour presentation here in the museum on May 28th at 12 o'clock. And I will be talking about my research, this exhibit, and how connected Greeley was to the nation in that really pivotal year of 1876. We also have our new general admission, fee-free, for all museums, and we're excited to introduce that to you this year. Come on down on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, 10 to 4, to the History Museum or to Centennial Village Museum once it's opened, and experience the history of Greeley and the heritage of Greeley. Learn something about yourselves in the process for free. So very excited to introduce all of this to you, and we'll see you down here soon.